Hey everyone, this is me Abhi Joshi, and in this particular video, what I am going to do is to tell you how you can money online by just doing small shits, or you can say literally doing nothing. So yeah, in this video, I would tell you how you can make use of AI and earn money online. And by this particular video, I can decently claim that you can earn around 30 to 40k a month just by using this particular trick. So let's get into the video. So what I'm going to do is to first just open my browser. Now I'm just going to open a private window because privacy concerns. So now what I'm going to do is to tell you this niche. This particular niche which what I'm talking about is movie synopsis generation. इसको अगर मैं तुम्हें एक बहुत ही ईजी भाषा में समझाऊं तो इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉचिंग अ 3 hour मूवी वॉट वी आर डूइंग इज जस्ट समराइज दैट पर्टिकुलर मूवी इनटू जस्ट 15 मिनट्स और हम कोई क्लाइमैक्स पार्ट और यू कैन से अ पर्टिकुलर सीन जो देखना चाहिए उसे भी मिस नहीं कर रहे हैं एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड नीश एट दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग हैं जिसने इस नीश को एट दिस राइट मोमेंट टच किया है सो वट वी आर गोइंग टू डू is to create this niche and would tell you how you can earn money. So the first thing which you have to do is to go into the IMDb website. This is the website of IMDb. Now what I'm going to do is to look for the menu option and going to the top 250 movies going around. और मैं तुम्हें 250 मूवीज़ इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज द मूवीज़ विच आर ऑलरेडी फेमस उसमें नीश बनाना इज़ अ वे मोर ईजियर. After that, once you are done and have a decent audience, you can shift the new movies along with it. But at this particular moment, जब तुम एक starter हो, you need to target big movies. So currently, the top performing movie is The Shawshank Redemption. So I'm going to copy the name of this particular movie. Now we have to generate the synopsis. Now it's not like कि तुम्हें पूरी movie देखनी है फिर उसकी synopsis लिखनी है. We have AI, right? And I already told you कि we have to make very less shit done. So what I'm going to do is to just open Google and just go to ChatGPT, and also I'm using the free version of ChatGPT at this particular moment. So yeah, this is ChatGPT. So what's the prompt which I'm particularly using to generate the synopsis? Let me tell you the prompt. Let me shift this camera so that you can see it properly. Now the prompt is write a synopsis of the movie, space the movie name, in English in detail without leaving any climax or hindering scene. Make it as big as a 15 to 16 minute video. So this is the niche, or you can say the prompt which I am particularly typing to get my synopsis ready. Now just enter and the synopsis would generate in a few seconds. As you can see, the synopsis is being generated and your 80% work is done. So once this synopsis is generated or is finished, now what we have to do is to just give it a voiceover. And the best way to give it a voiceover is, what I can say is audio voiceover. I'm not remembering the website name. It was something like .ht. Audio voiceover, sorry. Play.ht, yeah. This is the best website for creating text to speech voiceovers because it's having a very huge categories of voices. But somehow I guess this website is not running perfectly at this particular moment. You can use any other AI text to speech maker. Just a sec, I might not use DuckDuckGo at this particular moment. You can use any other such as this Design AI, or you can say AI voice generator, any other AI voice generator, and just create the speech of the particular synopsis. After that, what we have to do is to just make a YouTube video for it. Like say for example, this is my text. Let me copy the synopsis, a small part of it, so that I could make you understand what I am particularly saying. It doesn't ask for any registration.
The Shawshank Redemption is a poignant tale set.
This is what I am talking about. Okay, so this is what we have to do in order to make things. Just a sec, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more.
The Shawshank Redemption is a poignant tale set.
This is how we may create the voiceover of this particular text. After that, what we have to do is to take and put it in a particular YouTube video, or you can say a short videos, and put this voiceover on it by just mapping some of the voiceovers with the climax part. You are done. Now you just have to post that particular video in the YouTube and you may get monetized. And now the most tricky question which you might be having in your mind कि अगर मैं मूवी क्लिप्स यूज़ करूँगा तो मोनेटाइज कैसे होंगी, इट वुड बी कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट, राइट? तो उसका भी एक क्रैक ढूंढा है मैंने. तो उसका सिंपली एक अगर मैं क्रैक तुम्हें बताऊँ, इट्स दैट just copy the movie name, put it into YouTube, now you have to take the shots of the movie, but not from the channels those are having huge views. You know what I'm talking about is, go to the recently uploaded option, and here you can see simple small clips which are being used. So just copy these views so that you might not get any copyright infringement in future, and till then you can earn money, or your channel might get monetized, and now you can find another niche, or you can create multiple channels for it. So this is the particular niche which I was talking about, from which you can decently earn money around 40 to 50k at ease, I guess. And the best service which you can use for the voiceovers is this play.ht. So yeah, this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Bye bye.